Come on, give me a countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Time out, this is not good. This is bad. This is really bad. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? It's worse than the boo-boo. It's worse than the paper cut. Guess what happened? No, I didn't cut myself. It's worse than this. I didn't break a tooth. It's worse than that. I broke a fingernail. I just got my manicure and nail polish on yesterday. I'm joking. It wasn't yesterday. It was last week. So here we go. Here's a start, here's a finish line. Beginning, end. Straight road, curvy road. Omegaman. I drove all across the United States, around the nation. I tell boys and girls, young people, to be a dream what again? And not a dream. Here you are, 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. School just started a few weeks ago. You're coming to school. You're striving to do the best you can in your classroom. Do your homework. Listen to your teachers. Obey mom and... let me ask you a question. When your teacher asks you to do something, when your mom and dad ask you to do something, should they ask you 1 time, 5 times, or 10 times if you obey? How many times? So, when your teacher asks you to be quiet in the classroom, line up quietly in the hallway, clean up after yourself, be quiet in the lunchroom, should they ask you 1 time or 5 times? When mom and dad ask you to go to bed, clean your bedroom, or do something, should they ask you 1 time or 5 times? Always obey, respect the first time. When you do, you're living that true hero life. Because here you are, 3rd, 4th, 5th graders. Come to school, listening, respecting, making the good choices in life. And when you make the right choices in life, you know what's happening every day? You're getting closer and closer to your dreams, your goals, your destiny. But oh no, there's another road out there in life. It's called the dream what road? All right, let me ask you a question, 3rd, 4th, 5th graders. How can someone who's making the right choices, young person of integrity, making the right decisions in life, being a dream maker, using your powers for good, how can a dream maker making the right choices get off the dream maker path and get onto the dream breaker path? By making a lot of what choices? Of course, you guys know the answer, but how can someone who's making a lot of bad choices get back on the dream maker path? By making a lot of what choices? Of course. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, come on, Omegaman. I already know this stuff. But today's date is September what again? 2020. If you are, I know, first of all, I know none of you are on this road. I know every one of you, you're on this road, the dream maker path. But maybe you're here today, 3rd, 4th, 5th graders, and you're starting to make some wrong decisions in life. Back talking, disrespecting, mean words on social media, with your phones, when no one's watching, with your friends, bad attitude. If you are starting to compromise, making some little bad choices in life, when no one's watching, school bus, hallway, wherever, I'm asking you today, let's get off that path, come back over here, recommit yourself, September 13, 2000, and come back over here.